Hey folks! We all are very much aware of Microsoft Outlook, which emerged as a popular email client and personal manager. But like all other applications, Outlook also does have some minor issues. It provides many functionalities, which sometimes contributes to the growth of Outlook data files. It leads to issues like PST corruption, slow functioning of Outlook, inability to send or receive emails, and a lot more. Therefore, to deal with such situations, we are going to learn the best way to extract Outlook attachments to a local folder. Here is how to extract attachments from Outlook emails using different techniques. Using this method, one can easily extract Outlook email attachments, but just from one email at a time. Firstly, start your Microsoft Outlook application and open the email to extract the attachments. Now point your mouse cursor on one of the linked attachments and right-click on it. Select Save All Attachments from the drop-down list. Next, a window will appear. Click OK to continue. Now browse and provide the specific location on your system to save these attachments from the email. And click the OK option to complete the extraction. Using VBA script to automate the attachment extraction process is also considered by many Outlook users. This process requires a VBA macro code and VBA script to move email attachments to a specific folder on your system. This process for sure takes a bit longer, but it allows the extraction of attachments from multiple emails at the same time. Both these manual solutions to extract attachments have drawbacks. First, extracting one mail at a time leads to slow processing. While using the VBA method, there are complex macros to use. Also, only a few customization options are available. One must be aware of these drawbacks while performing the extraction of Outlook email attachments to the local folders. So, you can try a professional tool for attachment extraction. Kernel Outlook Attachment Extractor will help to extract Outlook attachments directly from the default Outlook profile or from the offline OST and PST files simultaneously. This tool allows you to skip empty folders or save the attachments having no extensions. Additionally, you get the option to extract specific file format attachments with file extensions filter. Also, you can save multiple attachments at once at your desired location. You can learn more about the tool and its working from its product page. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.